Genesis chapter 50 verse 20 states, "You intended to harm me, but God intended it for good to accomplish what is now being done." Before anything else, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our Almighty God. We raise this victory in your mighty name. Without the love, encouragement, and strength that He has endowed, we will not be able to make it through the obstacles and hardships, just as Genesis chapter 50 verse 20 means. To the people who have made this occasion possible, the people who are the reason why we are here today, I'd like to extend my deepest gratitude to Bishop Vincent Javier and Dr. Ligaya B. Javier, our very own principal, Ms. Shekinah Joy J. Viquilio, and our UMS Vice Principal, Ms. Juliet Villaflor, na nawawala ngayon, and this event's special guest, Ms. Ruth Escalianta, na nawawala rin po ngayon. I would also like to extend my gratitude to the GRCA admins, to the faculty, to all our parents, and most especially to my fellow graduates. Isang maligayang umaga sa ating lahat. It is one of the greatest honors of my 18 years in this world to stand in front of you today and deliver a speech para makatulog na kayong lahat. In all honesty, I wouldn't be here without the support of the people in my life. From the deepest crevices of my heart, thank you. Thank you to my friends outside of my section, my lovely documentation team, to my parents for bearing with my kaartehan, for being understanding and for caring. My fellow graduates, let us take this opportunity to acknowledge and appreciate all the people na katabi natin ngayon. May everyone repeat after me to give a simple thank you to our beloved parents. Salamat.
Salamat.
Sandali. Masyado atang napasimple. Muli, graduates, please repeat after me. Ma or pa.
Ma.
Salamat sa lahat.
Salamat sa lahat.
Para sa iyo tong panalong to.
Para sa iyo tong panalong to.
I dedicate this victory and thank my late Mama Lola, my one and only favorite section, Humes 12 Nahum. And para sa naglalakad na tripod ng Nahum, and the rest of our Nahum family who couldn't make it to celebrate this momentous occasion with us. At syempre, sa mga minamahal naming advisors, to Sir Josh and Miss Wency. Sa mga gurong kasama namin sa hirap, ginhawa at tawanan, taos-puso ko kaming nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you for treating us like we were your very own children. I speak on behalf of this batch when I say that you've made us feel so safe and secure. And you've raised our standards far too high for what an educator should be. And lastly, I owe the biggest thanks to my inner circles, both astigmatism and my inner circle here. You have become my best friends, my closest companions, and even a brother and a twin. I love you with all my heart, and I hope that we can all navigate this new chapter together. And even the chapter after that, hanggang sa dulo ng libro. I hope na kasama ko kayong lahat, mula simula hanggang dulo. The road towards this point wasn't easy. Na para kung tumarik na tulay na yari sa yelo, o kaya naman ay kumapit sa lubid na may langis. I wouldn't be able to count how many sleepless nights were caused by the voices of the people I know echoing in my head, all synchronously talking about the same tiring topic. Makukuha ko kaya ang prestihiyosong titulo na valedictorian. With every conversation, every biruan at asaran ay put up a smile. Just as how we normally feel when peer and environmental pressure is present. What else could you do? What else could I do? Deep down, beneath a skin of confidence, humor, and impulsive decisions, was just a little kid hiding in the corner of the room inside his own heart, crumbling from the weight of expectations. But if there's one thing you need to know about me, it's that sobrang tigas ng ulo ko. I wouldn't let myself get beaten up over societal expectations. And I especially would not let myself get me down out of sheer pride and pride. Not anymore. Ano to? Tao lamang sa sarili. There will come a point, a spark of realization after having gone through enough, where you will come to think, pagod na akong mapagod, pagod na akong matakot. It's time for a change. And so I did. And that was the person that I entered the school year as. A person who constantly repeats one single line to himself, and most of all, aligns my will to his will, acknowledging that he is the source of everything that I am lacking and needing in my academic journey. Live. Live with the highest hopes for tomorrow. It's a simple line that can mean so many things. Hope can mean so many things. Hope is an optimist's best friend. Hope is smiling through every struggle. Hope is sleeping with the thought that the days to come will be better than the last. Hope is faith in your abilities, among so much more. That's why I prefer to live by that line. A simple summarization of the principles and beliefs that makes up the person you all know as Jerson Ramos, or as Sky. Sonder. Sonder? Okay, ayos na. Sonder. S-O-N-D-E-R. It's the term used to describe the realization that each random passerby, each random stranger, has a complicated, meaningful life of their own. We all came to this school as exactly that. Strangers. Blank pages waiting to be adorned by the ink of the journey that was to come. We all came here not knowing what or who to expect. And as we enter yet another new phase of our lives, naway hindi tayo bumalik sa nakaraan. Because I don't want us to be just a distant memory. Huwag natin iwan ang isa't isa sa pagkakakilala na minsan lang tayo naging magkasama sa iisang eskwela. They say, when you enter a new stage in your life, it's inevitable that you have to let things go. And it's one of the hardest realizations that I've had to face in the past few weeks. Dahil anumang deny at anumang hindi ko pagpansin sa mga nararamdaman ko, alam ko sa sarili ko na ayoko pang bumitaw. Dahil ayoko maramdaman na parang may iniiwan tayo. Because to leave something behind is to, in some way, live with regret. With the missing part of yourself that we may never know how to find again. To leave is to walk away completely. Pero, sino ba kasing nagsabi na dapat nga tayong bumitaw? No. No. I want us to walk forward, not just as people, but mosaics, or vitrails, stained glass windows of everything we have ever loved. To carry a memory, a fragment of each other towards this new beginning. Gusto ko na sa pagkilala sa atin ng mga bagong papasok sa buhay natin, makikita nila na binubuo tayo ng mga taong naroroon para idikit tayo pabalik, piece by piece, noong mga panahon na sira at nabasag tayo. Gusto ko na sa bawat lugar na pupuntahan natin, sa bawat sulok ng Maynila, meron tayong kakawayan at tinitian. Knowing that we have spent 2 wonderful years in the same 2 buildings together. Gusto ko na sa bawat paaralang maririnig natin, may masasagot tayo na, uy, diyan si ano, di ba? Kilala mo ba si ano? Though we are moving straight forward, I hope that when we do look back, there won't be anyone behind us to meet our gaze. Because all of them are standing right by our side. Each and every one of you has made the life we lived in this school that much more memorable. Alam ko, at siguro alam din ng mga guro nating mahumulila sa atin at magre-reminisce sa bawat segundo na hindi magiging pareho ang buhay dito kung wala kayo. Kaya huwag nating hayaan na bumalik tayo sa pagiging estranghero. The road ahead may be scary, but of course it is. I'd like to leave with you all a catchphrase that I picked up somewhere I can no longer clearly recall, but has stuck with me through every struggle. Nothing ever worth it is easy. I hope that you can keep this in mind as a reminder that there is a reason you're still here. There's a reason you're still fighting, and I hope it'll be enough to push you forward. I have seen each and every one of us fight, striving tirelessly and persistently, sitting on the cold white tiles of the halls, building props, projects, and rehearsing lines, sometimes blankly looking at our laptops in the library para sa revisions na research na parang walang katapusan. I've seen you cry over the hurdles, and I've seen you be overcome with frustration. From academics, from the politics of this country, and sometimes even at each other. I have seen you fall, but I've watched you stand up to try again and again. Most importantly, despite all those obstacles, I've watched you try and succeed. So I have full faith na kaya natin to, that we can handle whatever college throws our way. After all, remember the Bible verse, if our God is for us, then who can stand against us? Fellow graduates, can we say this one more time? If our God is for us,
If our God is for us,
who can stand against us?
who can stand against us?
This is only a reminder that as long as we follow the path He prepared for us, we can say with all our hearts that the future is safe with Him. But though valor and victory is an addicting chalice to drink from, remember that success is not measured merely by material things or validation from others, but what you take away from your experiences and bring with you on your journey. Remember that God is in control of the direction of your life, not your peers, not your role models, not even your family. So you have to make the wise and the right decisions for yourself. Patuloy lang sa pagsakay sa agos ng buhay. At tandaan na kahit bumaliktad ang bangka at lamunin tayo ng mga alon, tandaan mo na hindi ka nag-iisa sa paglangoy. Ipagpatuloy ang pagpadyak laban sa tubig, ngunit huwag kalimutan na mayroon ka rin makakapitan sa ibabaw ng dagat. At mayroon laging nakabantay sa iyo na inaantay lang na lumapit ka sa kanya, kaya hindi ka dapat matakot. Fellow graduates, malayo pa pero ayoko na. Ay hindi, malayo pa pero malayo ka na rin. Ipagpatuloy ang laban, ang pangarap. Just like the message from our retreat. Keep that dream alive. At ipakita sa kanila ang aking galing ng mga humanista. Puhon, J.R. Katz. Before I end, I have only one last thing to say to each and every one of you. And I would like you all to once again, please repeat after me. Live
Live
with the highest hopes for tomorrow.
with the highest hopes for tomorrow.
All for God's glory and honor.
And honor.
Once again, congratulations, dear fellow graduates of 2025.
Thank you so much, Sir